Welcome everybody to today's class. Today we're going to be looking at subtraction in Excel. Last time we looked at multiplication in Excel, so if you've not watched that video, I encourage you to go to our channel and watch. So as I said, we'll be looking at subtraction in Excel, and subtraction in Excel is straightforward. It's a straightforward thing. Alright, so now we've seen that we've added another cell to this. So we saw that last time we did a summary of earning per year for each staff, which gave us this figure. So today we're going to be looking at them collecting tax from their workers, because every worker must pay tax according to the requirement of Nigerian Constitution. So if you are earning, you must pay tax. So these people got to pay tax. So this is not the total money they are receiving a year, but this is the money that is allocated for them. So if they have to pay tax, we've seen that each person in this company pays equal tax. No matter how much you paid, they are paid 45,000. Well, let's put this in currency, sorry. So they are paid 45,000 naira. So we have it as that is as 45,000 naira. So we're gonna be minusing or subtracting this figure from this amount, what we have here, to get the final amount that these workers are paid. So for us to do that, we enter the subtraction formula, just like we have in the others. I told you that before you start up any formula, you have to start up with your equal sign. So we have the equals. So we have to subtract the summary of earnings per year. We have to subtract it from, so we have to subtract the tax of 5,000 naira from their earnings per year. So we can see that the first earning here by Emmanuel is in D20. So we said equal to D20 minus, so you can see what is there. Alright, so you can see the minus sign we added there, minus what? Minus E20 okay, minus E20. Alright, that's it. So you press your enter key. So with minus, we've gotten 1,250,233 naira. So we can use our autofill to get the rest. Alright, so that's a simple way to multiply in Microsoft Excel. I hope we understand that. Alright, that's a simple way to multiply. We've learned how to, that's a simple way to subtract. Yeah, we've learned how to multiply and all that. So if you've not watched our other videos, you can go and do that. Alright, next we shall be looking at how to divide or division in Microsoft Excel. Alright, see you in the next video. Thank you.